it's the hardest, to win. And we were joking around with the coaches. We're taking up our master run for the past 3 years, but it's just always going to make us better as a team. I think one of the big keys for this win is these guys really helped me out a lot. Yes, I might be the head coach, but I'm so fortunate to have all those coaches. Coach Caloy, Garcia, Coach Gian, Coach Mon, Coach Oliver, Coach JB, even Coach Rennen, Coach Marlon. I guess having those guys around really is a blessing to me, because there are times that I could be vulnerable to these guys and tell them that I'm tired. I'm scared. I'm worried. I have so much anxiety, and they always care it for me. It's always nice to have an environment that you could be yourself. I was telling earlier, this has been the most nervous I was in my life, not only as a coach but also as a player, because you're gonna go up against the best team in college. You're gonna be up against the defending champions, and they really got our number heading into Game 3. But actually, the adjustment we made in Game 3 was Jacob's recommendation. Mike backed it up, and I said, what did I say about gamble? The best team, the team that will gamble will win the championship.
Yeah.
Who would have thought that we're gonna go 3 bigs?
It's crazy.
And what's important, I guess, is the trust. Sabi ko sa kanila, di ba, na matalo tayo sa Mugan kaysa nag-ingat tayo. And I guess, these guys are really a blessing to me. They really are. They're making my life, my coaching so easy because of the trust that they give to me. And again, I'm so happy for Mason. I'm so happy for Kian. We really committed that. We said to ourselves that in order for Mason and Kian to be helping us, we have to go all the way to the finals. Because they're out. We don't really know, but the commitment that we have, so sorry I'm lost in this space, but I'm just so grateful and blessed for this opportunity. I want to thank also Father Jonathan of Quiapo. He really brought us together. He made us believe in Jesus Nazareno. He always prays for us, and again, so much blessing to come. All of these, we cannot do it without God. If there's somebody there that we hold on to, that's our faith.